I sneezed on you, prank.
This cold ain't got you sick, do it.
That's what it got.
I ain't been feeling that good.
All right, bud. Yeah.
I'm looking at my hair. You done brush your hair? Ooh. I sneezed on you? Is that nasty?
At this point, I knew he was cussing me out in his head.
Is it nasty? You okay? You gonna fire me now? You sure? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. What you want, some Germex? You want some bleach? What you want me to do to it? You want to wipe it off? You want a paper towel? I can give you a paper towel. You're a good sport. I'm sorry. I apologize. I ain't never sneezed on nobody before. You ever sneezed on somebody? No. It's the first time for everything, man. I'm so sorry. You forgive me? Okay, thank you so much.
About me going there and telling my personal talk to court.